I'm coming today to do another little update on what I've been up to and the kind of art that I'm doing these days, what I'm offering, I guess. It's been a while, you guys, so sorry. I'm kind of catching up on videos. This is my third video as of right now. Just trying to catch up and letting you guys know what I've been up to. I'm, like I said in my previous videos, you watched them, I've been kind of sick on and off, and then my little dog got sick and he's better now, so that's the fast version of it. But thank you so much for staying with me. I think it's really cool to share this with you. It's called electroforming. I started this, well, I wanted to start it years ago, but the process was very intimidating somewhat. I was confident, but I needed the right time to do it. And I decided one day I decided I'm doing it, and that's it. Because I wanted to do an erosion series, which I did do an erosion series video previous, if you guys want to watch it. I do art journals as well, so I wanted to do erosion series, and I wanted to have copper on it, and I was like, oh, that would look so cool on journals. So that's where it started, and I started electroforming. My husband helped me through the process. Took him 1 hour to help me learn it, and I just went off on my own. There is math, there is chemistry, there's chemicals, there's you need ventilation. You have to be very cautious. Like I said, this is a chemical process that I'm doing. So I've been doing it for a few months now, and I love it. Every time I do it, I'm just like, it's like the first time, you know. I was so excited for my very first piece onto what I'm doing now, but it's so amazing. I come from a very historical Victorian town, lots of mining. Copper was really, really big, and so I love feeding off of my locations, my surroundings, my environment, and so the love of just making art. I'm very eclectic, but my style is very rustic and raw, and so whenever I make an art piece, you'll kind of see that style in that form of art that I'm doing, whether it's journals, jewelry, you know, it doesn't really matter. It's whatever I'm doing at the time. You'll always see that raw, rustic texture, layered look to my work. So this is my jewelry line. I do have a website. It's angiegarciaart.com. I have an Instagram, Angie_Garcia_art. So if you'd please follow me or get on my email list. I do have some pieces. It ranges from home decor, like I'm doing chakras or window pendants with crystals. I've been into crystals and geology my whole life. Like I said, my hometown is a mining town, so I have a little write-up. If you want, I'll maybe put a screenshot or do a post. You guys can read about why I'm influenced, why I'm eclectic with my art. Art is everything. My kids are in college, so I'm a full-time artist now, so I'm just running with it. Anyway, so I love jewelry. I love the rustic look. Anything that's going to be a wearable art to me I'm all there. So here's a few pieces that I have now. Like I said, I have home decor, necklaces, earrings over there on my website. These are all new pieces, so these aren't there. But if you are interested in anything you see, you can email me at angiegarciaart.com. angiegarciaart@gmail.com if you're interested. I do have a Facebook page as well, but if you follow me on Instagram, you'll always see things that I'm doing, and update there quite frequently. So these are some of my first pieces that I made. These are like little leaves that I just found. So these are actually pretty delicate. These probably could go in. These were some of my first pieces. So these could probably go on a little bit longer, because as delicate as they look, they are delicate. So you have to kind of be somewhat careful with, not like super careful, but you just, they're just, in layman's term, they're just kind of plated in copper. So you have to be quite gentle with them. But you can wear them. They're wearable. Like this one, I probably plate just a little bit longer if this wasn't on a solid art piece and I wanted to wear this or have it for like a hairpin or hat pin. I'd probably just, electroform it a little bit longer just to give it some more sturdiness. But this is one of my first pieces, so like I said, I've come a long way. These are done. These are little house plants that I had that I electroformed, and these are some pine. This one is really sturdy. So this one, because I was having trouble with the tops, they were kind of breaking apart. So this one's electroformed. This one's really sturdy. So this one could hang off like a keychain whatnot and be fine. So this is a pine cone from my backyard, and I just coppered them, and sometimes I'll patina them or oxidize them and then buff them up. Gotta leave them rustic. This one was really cool. It's something I found out in the forest floor, and this one electroformed really neat. So that's like copper berries. And then here's my jewelry, you guys. So this one's agate. This is Montana moss agate, and I electroformed the top of them, and I just kind of did like a fish hook style earring there, hook. So these are what I have available. These are just kind of really rustic. I don't know what to call these. Are kind of just like little copper blobs. I don't really call them blobs. I'll have a name for them soon. I just don't know quite what. And then it's like pink quartz crystals hanging from there. All my crystals are real. And I do believe that they have some energy and some healing power, so they're fun to wear as well. And I have kind of like an ombre look going on this piece. And these hooks are all hand formed, and so they're all hand designed and formed for these earrings. Sometimes I use bought hooks, but sometimes I'll just hand form them on my own. Sometimes, like, I have kind of like a thicker earlobe, so sometimes I need a bigger one. So sometimes making my own fits better than just the commercial ones. This one's a heart. I just formed this out, made a little heart, and then I electroformed it, and that has my zip code there, or not my zip code, my state area code. And these are Celtic knot style with some hold on, I'll come with the name with that. But these are the same kind of stones as well with a Celtic knot. And then this one is, I made this out of like a hemp, and then I electroformed it with this little bead stone there. And these are labradites, but these have like a kind of a flash to them. They're really pretty. But anyways, I just left the copper there. These are hand-formed ear wires, and these are store-bought ear wires. They are copper, like an antique copper. But I did like kind of like an ombre look as well on these ones. Yeah. So there's my info on the back there. I do ship. Oops, those are upside down. I do ship within the U.S., Canada, and for now. And but you can always message me and we can figure it out. Yeah, so these are all available. If you want to go to my website, it's angiegarciaart.com. If you want to email me, it's angiegarcia@gmail.com. And then follow me on Instagram as well. And yeah, anyways, that is what I have been doing. I have a lot more ideas. I'm really into the hammered copper, you guys, so anyways, it's been fun. I've been busy. But anyways, so if you have any questions, like I said, I gave you all my information. Oh, actually, there's one more thing that I did do that I didn't show you. These are just like little clay tokens that I patinaed. I coppered them. And some I painted. I just like rusty stuff. Anyways, yeah. So these are just like some little patina copper. I still have to do some work on them, but all kinds of stuff, you guys, on my jewelry. Like, it's crazy. Like, very rustic, earthy jewelry, layered, textured. Anyways, yeah. If you have any questions, just feel free to get a hold of me. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day, and I hope everybody is enjoying the nicer weather. We kind of have a lot of snow, but it's a good thing. So anyways, I'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye. Hey guys, in my last video I forgot to show you these. These are electroform bookmarks. They've got a long chain. They have a quartz crystal on one end, and then this is actual real feather. These are really sturdy. I actually electroformed them in for a long time. I mean, they will like bend because it's metal, obviously, but there is an actual feather in there, and these are bookmarks. And here's the other one. So I have a short one and kind of like a bigger one. So these are both available. Then I have this little amethyst here, and then this is juniper, and I kind of just made them kind of like antlers. So this kind of like can be a dangle or a window pendant or a necklace as well. Anyways, this is on a longer chain, but I just wanted to show you guys that because I meant to include it in the video. I'm also going to show this what it looks like in a book, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is how they would look in a book. So they would just kind of hang off the spine here, and then you'd have the crystal hanging down here. So anyways, I think they look awesome. It's like as a conversation piece on your coffee table like this, laying here, or upright on a bookshelf. You know, you have the feather hanging here, and the crystals just hang, you know, they don't get in the way. And I include the chain to be pretty long. You can see it right here. Anyways, yeah, so I hope you enjoy those. Those are my Electroform feather bookmarks, and I could have made these hat pins or hair pins, but I thought it's really cool to make them kind of different. So yeah, so anyways, let me know if these are available at angiegarciaart@gmail.com. We'll talk to you later.
I'm not sure.